Do you need an accurate way to know which paid ads, campaigns, and creatives are driving conversions? I'm going to show you how to build consistent, analytics ready UTM links in seconds with Keywords Everywhere's free UTM builder. Now, this UTM builder is completely free. You don't even need a Keywords Everywhere account to use this, and I'll include a link to this tool in the description below. Now, having properly built UTM links is extremely important if you want to know which ads are driving the most traffic and conversions, or if there is another source that's driving those conversions to your product's landing page or website. And it's very simple to create a link. All you need to do is fill out this form. And they make it even easier by providing you with some quick presets here as well. So say, for example, you're running Facebook ads and you want to know the specific ads and landing pages are driving the most conversions. Okay, so what you could do is click on Facebook ads and it automatically fills out the campaign source, which is, of course, Facebook, and the campaign medium, which is paid social. Now, the other required field we need to add is, of course, our website URL. And the fourth required element is the campaign name. I like to put the date and some other descriptive term. So I can say something like July 2026 sale. You can also optionally add a campaign term and campaign content if needed, but it's totally not necessary. You just need to fill out these 4 fields here. And as you could see, our campaign URL automatically gets created. So now you can click on copy and go into your meta ads and paste where you will be sending your paid traffic to. If you are running Google ads, you can click on Google ads and the campaign source and medium will automatically get updated to make it a little quicker for you to fill out. Aside from paid channels, there's also newsletter. If you want to track traffic from your email signature, you could do that as well. If you're doing any affiliate marketing, running any display or banner ads, or if you are driving traffic from a QR code, you can select QR code as well. So instead of manually building out your campaign URL with these UTM tags, using a tool like this will help you avoid broken or incorrectly formatted UTM links. Having this also makes your Google Analytics report clearer and easier to trust and analyze. So if we look at this screenshot from campaigntrackly.com, appending those UTM tags to your links will allow you to filter and sort to see which traffic sources and landing pages are driving the most traffic and conversions. So this example screenshot shows you the event name filtered, including the session campaign. So this is the UTM campaign and all of the conversions. So this type of detailed tracking won't be possible without UTM tags. So that's why building out your campaign links properly is so important. So go ahead and try out the free UTM builder right now. And this tool is just one of dozens and dozens of other free marketing tools you could use from Keywords Everywhere. And I'll include a link to this page in the description below as well, so you could browse all of the other tools. So with that said, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.